A civil authority has issued a law enforcement warning for the following areas/counties, all of Texas. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test, this is the emergency alert system. Mass-scale riots are ongoing on Texas. It is recommended that you don't participate in this riots because you will get fined or arrest. The police is currently being deployed to control this riots. It is recommended that you don't get out of the vehicle or house that you are in because that can put your life at risk. We will now return to your normally scheduled programming.